chilly. I'm venturing in my yard. Look how deep. Look at that. I kind of strolled into the backyard because I just kind of wanted to see how deep it was over there. We have been doing our porch for the dogs and stuff, but not back there. It is crazy. Look at my air conditioner. That's a lot of snow. I can hear the plows going through now. You could probably hear them too. So if you're where it's snowing or where the storm's coming, you guys be safe out there, okay? It's kind of cold too.